Hello YouTube, I am back with another hair review today. Today's wig is brought to you by hairtobeauty.com. Well, a wig that I purchased from hairtobeauty.com, and I have Miss Annalise. This is the Outre Perfect Hairline. I have Annalise in the color DRFF Ginger Mahogany. So this is a wig that I have been stalking for a while now, and I finally decided to go ahead and purchase it. Especially in this color too, because it's like really pretty to me. It stands out. It is, you know, with Perfect Hairline, it is 13 by 6 lace front. So you have all these pretty ways to style the hair. I mean, so far it's like where you want to part it. You can do middle, you can do side, and then you can also, since it does have all this large lace space, you can like do little braids here, and then like do like an up and down hairstyle if you want. All right, so this is what she's looking like here. Okay, look at that. All right, but this is the inside. So this is the 13 by 6 lace. So you have all this, again, all this area to part your wig, play around with it. It comes with 2 combs in the front and elastic band, and coming back with some adjustable straps here. I wore this wig already, so as you can tell, I've already cut the lace. I am in love with this color. Like, I really am, like, for real. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. I'm not gonna style it, but just wanted you guys to look at it. No, my lace is back. I mean, my cap is back there, so yeah. But man, this color is me, so I love this color, okay? It's just like really pretty, like this little orange highlights. I was in love with it when I first seen it, trust me. Okay, so when I first got it out of the box, fresh out the box, it did come with a few shredded strands, like combed it. Notice that I noticed some shedding, okay? There was some shedding, a few little snags, just a few little snags, but not too much, not too many, you know. But this is worth getting, you guys. Like, it's worth getting. I like this wig a lot. But I'm not going to go into detail on like styling it, because I know I'm not really wearing this hairstyle right now. So I'm not planning on wearing this hairstyle right now. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. But if you feel in this color, go get it. Definitely go to hairtobeauty.com for it right now. See if it's, honestly, I don't even know if the color is still available. But other sites do have this exact same unit, but just check to see if there are like any, you know, different colors and style. But another thing was, some perfect hairlines actually fit my hairline, some do not for some odd reason, but this one is very big head friendly, and I can pull it enough to fit my hairline. I know my hairline's a little odd sometimes when it comes to, you know, my edges here. Like, it would be like round here, and then like, oh, smack there, you got hair right there, and then you know, so I was able to like pull it to the front enough for it to like cover it, you know. So I don't, that's definitely a pro for me when it comes to lace front wigs, is that I have and I have a lot of room to actually cover my hairline. So yeah. But other than that, you guys, that's really it with this wig. I think it's gorgeous. I think you can do a lot with this, especially, you know, with these colors. Very cute for the summer, fall, winter, spring. You should definitely go cop this one. Might be an oldie, but it could be new to you, just like it was to me. All right, you guys, like, subscribe, and share to tune in to more of my content. You guys have an awesome day. Thanks for checking out my channel. Bye.